Hey everybody, it's Miss Emma here, and I am super excited to introduce you guys to the next programming series we are going to do. So for those of you that don't know, one of our really fun activities we had planned over spring break was going to be a stuffed animal sleepover. We were going to have you guys bring your stuffed animals to us, and they were going to get to have a super fun slumber party at the library. Obviously we didn't get to do that, but we still really wanted to incorporate that idea into something else. So we have created a virtual stuffed animal programming series. So it's going to run a little bit like our Your Shot challenges have. We're going to give you a photo challenge activity to do, and you guys are going to send us your pictures. So before I explain anymore, I need to introduce you to my friend Perry the Platypus. He is going to help me in this programming series. Perry, can you say hi? That's his favorite noise. So our first challenge is going to be snack attack, because the most important part of a slumber party is snacks. So my friend Miss Grace and I are going to show you some really cool and yummy recipes you can make with popcorn. I have my popcorn recipe right here. It's literally just popcorn, chocolate chips, and sprinkles. It is delicious. Perry and I are going to go watch a movie after this and enjoy our snack. But in a couple minutes, Miss Grace is going to show you guys what some ideas she has for you for popcorn recipes. So after you guys make your popcorn or whatever other snack you want to make, you just need to take a picture of your snack and your stuffed animal. You can also be in the stuffed animal, you can be in the picture with your stuffed animal, or it can just be your stuffed animal eating your snack. And you guys can either tag us in those pictures on Instagram or Facebook, or you can just email them to us at hplkids1@gmail.com, and we will put them all in a photo album at the end of the week and share them with our social media world. And we will be doing 4 of these challenges, one each Monday for the next month. We are super excited about them. So I'm going to pass it off real quick to Miss Grace, and she is going to show you how to make some really yummy popcorn recipes.
Hey kids, it's Miss Grace. Let's make some nacho popcorn. So first you're going to need 1/4 cup of butter melted. Next you'll add 1 tablespoon grated Parmesan, a 1/2 teaspoon garlic salt, 1 tablespoon dried parsley, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, and if you like hot sauce, try 2 drops of hot sauce. Now we're going to mix this all together. Taking your 1 bag of popcorn in a large bowl, we're going to pour our sauce over the popcorn. Now mix it up. Be careful. Taste test. Delicious. Now let's make some puppy chow. To get started, you'll need 1/2 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/4 cup peanut butter or Nutella if you're allergic to peanuts, 1/8 cup of butter, and we'll microwave this in the microwave for 30 seconds until it's nice and melted. Now let's add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and mix it up. Next, we'll take our 5 cups of Rice Chex cereal in a large bowl and add our chocolate mixture to it. And stir. Make sure to get the chocolate on all the cereal. Next, we're going to take a scoop and a gallon-sized Ziploc bag with 3/4 cups powdered sugar. You're going to scoop the chocolate mixture into the bag with powdered sugar. Seal it nice and tight and shake it up. Make sure to shake it to where all the powdered sugar covers all the chocolate bits. Once you've shaken it up, get a pan covered in foil or parchment paper, open your Ziploc bag, and shake it onto the pan. It's still really hot, so wait until the puppy chow has cooled completely, and then taste test. Amazing! Be sure to share your treats with your friends. It's a perfect slumber party snack.
Wow, those recipes sounded delicious, and I'm now really, really excited to go eat my popcorn after this. But before I do that, I'm gonna show you guys some example pictures for this week's challenge of me and Perry and Grace and her stuffed animal friends, so you can see the kind of pictures we are looking for. Okay everybody, that is it for this video. I can't wait to see you guys, see all of your fun pictures, and we will see you next week. Bye!